a joyful noise, let the heavens ring, all the earth together, let praises spring. Serve him with gladness, hearts open wide, come before his face where grace resides. Enter his gates, his thanksgiving, his courts with praise. Give thanks and bless his name forever. For the Lord is good, his love endures always. He made us all, we are his design, sheep of his pasture, his heart divine. For he is faithful, mercy won't cease, his truth keeps marching, never-ending peace. From age to age, from shore to shore, his love stands strong forevermore. Enter his gates with thanksgiving, his courts with praise. Give thanks and bless his name forever. For the Lord is good, his love endures always. Generation to generation will sing, truth like a river, his mercy